I'll now move on to the analytics, which is where we capture all of those insights of what training material your end users are using, their assessment of that training material, and generally how they're interacting with the platform. So I'll jump back into the application. So the first demonstration I showed you was in JDE. Oracle Guided Learning for JDE is a SaaS-based application. So with that, you get access to a console. That console is connected in real time to your JDE environment, regardless of whether you're an on-premise or a cloud-based JDE user. And this tenancy is connected to the environment that I was just demonstrating. So I'm showcasing the analytics feature of the solution. And what I can see is that I have a complete snapshot of the usage and interactions with my training material across a certain time period. So this time period can be by day, week, month, quarter, or a specific time period. I can see how many guides have been engaged by my organization, what percentage of those guides are being used, how many active users I've got, how many guide runs, and importantly, my feedback. So I can quickly see and start to track trends over time. Am I improving the quality of my training material? Is my feedback improving? And you can see how often a guide is being used or a group of guides are being used in your organization. All of this information is drillable. So if I drill into that particular training guide that I ran, creating a purchase order, I can see that it's been run 145 times in this environment for that time period. I can click into that and I can get a rich array of information specific to that training guide. So I can see the time that has been spent across that particular guide. I can see where people are dropping out. Remember, I dropped out at a particular point in time. I can see how complete the guides are being executed. Again, I dropped out at probably about step number 6. And I can look at the feedback that my users are giving me as it pertains to that particular guide.